Hello guys, magtatahi po tayo. Gagamitin ko yung mana nung asawa ko sa lola niya. So this was established year 1859. Made in England. So try natin. Kakaiba siya. Ganyan po. Ganito siya gamitin. Kamay yung kamay yung nagwa-wind. They call it a vintage machine. Vintage sewing machine. Ang ganda kaya yung tahi niya. Very, very fine yung pagkatahi. This sewing machine was made 1859. Made in England. So matanda na to. Super vintage na sewing machine. Kasi nakalagay pa dito kung kailan ginawa. Ang sarap lang sa feeling, no?